Right, I think tonight's the night that I put the clutch on. So I got a little bit of time tonight. So hopefully I can get this done tonight. If not, I have to finish it off in the morning. But clutch, may as well do it while the motor's out. I feel like it's going to be easier to do while the motor is out of the car and then put it into the car. So I thought I'd do a quick little video of me just installing the clutch onto the engine tonight. Right, so I'm here. I've got my spigot bearing. I've had this thing in the freezer for, I don't know, maybe 3 hours or so, just to cool it down enough. So hopefully it just slides right in. I do have a little socket here to help me bang it in with my trusty hammer. Hopefully just like that. All seated nicely. Spigot bearings all in. Now I get all my clutch kit together and all the tools and chuck the clutch on. So here we have the MPC clutch, built and rated 1200 horsepower. Alright, now we've got all the clutch ready. Make sure you do your best not to touch the surface here at all. You don't want to touch it, especially if you have dirty hands or any grease or debris on your hands. Make sure they all line up. Make sure you start them all first a little bit. When you buy the MPC clutch, they send you out new flywheel bolts already with some Loctite on there ready to go. Right, now to torque them down. Right, so now I have a trusty torque wrench here, and thanks to MPC performance clutches, they gave me all of my torque settings and everything that I need to know. So first I'll just screw all these up to where they're flush. Go around, I'll do my final torque down. Always go along and mark them after you've done it, just so you don't lose track of which one's done. Cross over again. Right. Notice all of them all tightened up. Alright, so now I'm at the part where I like everything to be done. So you get yourself some thinners. Make sure you clean any debris, oil, anything that might have got on the surface. there for a second. Like that. I've never done this before, so bear with me. At least not a twin plate one. Actually shove that up there. This all lined up. Right, first key. So clearly I'm still learning how to do this, but shove that in the middle first, then shove it in. Everything lines up then. Boom, on. Right. Tag this over here. Give this one a good clean. That goes together like that. And these screws. Get all these done up finger tight. Right, now to torque these down. It says 39 Newton meters. Alright, that's about 39. And just torque these down, have your paint pen ready. I do one that way. Tells me that's clicked once. I always like to go around them again. normally a good test for you to know whether your gearbox is going to go on and off pretty good. If that goes in nice and easy, no matter what way you put it. And that's it, all installed. All ready to go back in the car. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next video will be us putting this in the car. And probably a little bit more finalising up the engine bay, deciding where I'm going to put everything.